In this video, I'll show you how to claim a player of waivers in ESPN Fantasy Football. Simply open up the Fantasy app. From here, click on Football section. From here, if the league is going on, you'll simply find here My Team. Click on it. From here, click on this Players tab. After that, try and find the player with a plus icon or a claim button right beside their name. And if you do find such players, simply click on claim player or simply on the player's name. After that, you might have to select a current player to drop if your roster has reached its limit. After that, simply confirm the transaction. Also, there are some waiver rules that you must understand, that the waivers process daily around 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Successful claims are awarded based on league's waiver priority list. Unclaimed players clear waivers and become standard free agents available for instant addition. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.